Welcome to today's session on Excel logical functions. In this lesson, we'll explore IFERROR, IFNA, nested if, and ifs function. These functions help us make decisions in Excel based on conditions. Let's get started. The if function is one of the most commonly used in Excel. It checks whether a condition is true or false and then gives a result based on that. For example, if a student's score is more than 50, Excel can show pass, otherwise it shows fail. The formula looks like this: if logical test, comma, value if true, comma, value if false. IFERROR function. Sometimes our formulas give errors, and that can look messy. The IFERROR function helps us fix that by showing a custom message instead of the error. For example, if we divided by 0, Excel normally shows an error. But with IFERROR, we can make it display error found instead. Now, IFNA is similar to IFERROR, but it only handles the not available error. This is very useful when using formulas like lookup. For example, if a lookup value is not found, instead of showing not available, we can make it display not found. And then next, let's look at nested if. Sometimes we need to test more than one condition. In that case, we can put one if functions inside another. For example, we can say if the score is above 80 shows A, if it's above 60 shows B, otherwise shows C. Ifs function. Finally, we have the ifs function. This one makes things easier when we have multiple conditions because we don't need to keep nesting ifs. For example, if the score is above 80, Excel shows A. If above 60, it shows B. Otherwise, it shows C. It's clear way to handle multiple conditions in Excel. Thank you, and that's a quick overview of Excel logical functions, IFERROR, IFNA, nested ifs, and ifs. Mastering these functions will make your Excel skill much stronger. Thanks for watching and happy learning.